Wow.
I got a new costume.
I can see that. It's very
stormy.
No doubt. Speaking of storms, when they hit, clean water isn't always readily accessible.
Yeah, that's why it's imperative to have a ready-to-use product in hand like Mediclean Disinfectant Spray Plus.
MDSP. First, make sure the area is clean with detergent before treatment.
Then spray surfaces and articles until thoroughly wet.
It may also be applied with a sponge to other surfaces.
Yep, it's suitable for carpets, upholstery, and mattresses too.
And be sure to use appropriate PPE.
Heavily treated spaces should be adequately ventilated and not re-entered for at least 1 hour after treatment.
And did you know it's been the go-to for storm disasters for decades?
Naturally. I mean, it is effective against bacteria, fungi, molds, mildew. Plus, it works on both porous and non-porous surfaces.
Its combination of phenol and quat will penetrate farther into carpet, wood,
MDSP is just better, chemically speaking.
and beyond storms and flooding. It's also used for sewage blockages, removal of carcasses, and more.
Ooh, removal of carcasses. How you guys doing?
Great. What are you doing in here?
I'm making copies.
What's that?
Oh, just the super affordable universal cleaner and broad spectrum disinfectant that actually cleans the source, not just covers it up.
Plus.
Are you okay?
Stay tuned next week for more on Milgo Plus.
Legend Brands.